Hey guys, it's Deborah from Time with Joe by Deborah. Today we are opening up, I think, name brand handbag. I received it on 2/17 of 2024. I know I used a 30% off coupon and I probably had some points too. So the cost of goods on this box should be pretty fantastic. And it comes to us from Phoenix, Arizona. It's heavy, so that could be good or it could be bad. All right. Go ahead and see when I ordered this. February 13th of 2024, so the day before Valentine's Day, which was a Tuesday because my granddaughter's birthday is on the 14th. Alright, let's get the paper off. Give you guys first looks. Oh, I love that color blue. Alright. Well, it's cute. Look at that. It is Kate Spade. It definitely needs to be reshaped. It's been kind of crinkled in here, but what a lovely, lovely blue color. The handles look pretty good. Yeah, so the hardware looks good. It's very basic. The feet are all there. So that's really nice. I don't know anything about this style. I will definitely have to look it up. There's nowhere for you to turn this into a crossbody, but it is a cute purse. Here is the inside. The inside is super clean. Wow, this is great. I tell you, most of the name brand hand boxes that I've received in the last year have been excellent quality. You know, some dings, but that's to be expected. These are rescue boxes, so great start. Kate Spade, love that blue. Okay, Michael Kors. This is a large one. It has handles, that's a plus. I don't know if you guys remember, probably about a year ago, we did a name brand handbag, and I had gotten a Michael Kors bag that didn't have any handles, and it was such a bummer because it was brand new and it was gorgeous. So here we go, Michael Kors. It is black and gray. Definitely needs a cleanup. It's kind of been smushed in here. Side pockets, handle. Looks super clean. Wow. Then you have a center zipper. I'm just checking for holes, no holes. You've got a keychain holder, and it is a Michael Kors, but wow, this thing's in great condition. Definitely you can tell it's been folded. There's like ridge marks and it's like dusty in the ridge marks, but great. And the handles look good too. So not bad, not bad. Let's check the hardware, and I'm going to check that zipper to make sure it works. It has a zipper pull. All right. Wow. Second bag. Fantastic. Whoops, I have uranium glass in my light box. So. All right, then we have a black Kate Spade shoulder bag. Let's see. It is a pebbled leather. Some kind of sticker on here. I'm sure I can peel that off. And the white, usually you just take a tub of towel or even just a little bit of Dawn soap and a light cloth and rub it, and sometimes it comes right off. So there is rubbing and scratch marks on the Kate Spade logo. It is hot pink on the inside. Check the zipper. It's back zipper. Let's see. I'm going to pull this out. Looks like I got a hook for free. Alright, so it definitely has some dirt to it, but not bad. And the reason I like to pull these out is I like to look for rips and tears. There is ink marks right there. But cute. I love that pink. The bag itself looks fantastic. No major scratches, just a little bit right there, but this folds over. So, yeah, let's look at the handle. Feels good. Nothing sticky or ooey gooey, just that white mark. And it has its piece. So you just fold this over. Super cute. All right. Solid bag. Okay, I see my accessory. Seen better days. It is beige. There's some wear to the leather. Little coin purse wallet too. It's got like a red. It feels like kind of like that Junie red that they used to put in their boxes. So this, I don't see a name on. Oh, it's Dooney and Burke. All right, I did not think this was Dooney. Oh, but look, it says DB there. I didn't even notice that. So yeah, it looks like there's a little pilling. I'll put pictures up. But it is a Dooney and Burke wallet. So cute. I will definitely need to reshape this. There's some scratching here on the leather. But not bad. It's cute. That's definitely my accessory. Okay. And we always thought we weren't going to get Coach bags in these boxes. This is fantastic. I hope please be in great condition. You guys, orange and animal print. This is fantastic. Wow. Wow. Let's see what's wrong with it, right? Why is it in here? The handles look great. Okay, the inside needs to be cleaned. Definitely. But wow. Wow, you guys, look at this. This is spectacular. Love it. So here's the back. So this is a material. Let's check the back pocket. Just a little bit of pen marks. Check and see. The zipper works. Okay. So there is a white mark here. So I'm going to take some leather cleaner and try to get that off. But what a beautiful, beautiful bag. I know a couple of you guys that love Coach that would love this bag. So nice. This is like a patent leather. It definitely needs a cleaning. It's sticky, but it's not like that old, like Ferragamo kind of sticky patent leather. So yeah, it definitely needs a good cleaning. It does have another pocket here that is zipper. Then you have two slip pockets here and another back zipper. So fantastic bag. I love it. I do not see anywhere for you to put a crossbody. I mean, you could always, you know, loop one here and one on the back. But look at this. Wow. Great box. I love it. I don't carry big bags anymore, but I might start. So, all right. All right, you guys. So what do you think? What a great box. I will get more information for you guys. If there's major flaws or something I haven't pointed out during this video, I will post pictures at the end. I should have put up prices, but wow, look at that. So not bad, Coach. Got the Dooney, which is in the worst shape, but still in a decent shape. And then we have the Kate Spade. And we have the Michael Kors. We have this great blue Kate Spade. So, all right, you guys. Well, leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite purse was. I love that blue, but this is the best piece of the box. So, all right, you guys. Well, you have a fantastic day, and thanks for joining me. Eventually this spring, late spring, early summer, I will have a purse sale. I have probably about 60 purses that I have not listed on eBay yet, and I would like you guys to have first dibs. So I just have to figure everything out. You know, we all have family obligations. Family always comes first. And I appreciate you guys for always being here. So, okay, let me know what your favorite piece was. My favorite. All right, you guys. Well, take care of each other. Be well. And tell someone you love them today. And I'll talk to you real soon. Bye, you guys. All right, you guys. I have a little bit more information on the purses. And I will give you prices on this part. So, I know my camera looks a little sideways. It is. Sorry. All right. So that first bag was that Kate Spade, and it is blue. Now, it definitely, I stuffed it a little bit, but you can tell it really needs to be stuffed. And it's not soft and supple. but it is a nice bag overall. This is the Kate Spade Dot Noel shoulder bag. It's 13 inches by 8 inches by 3.5. There's a little bit of puckering right there on the bottom, but otherwise it's a pretty nice bag. The drop on the handle 7.5, and there is a little black mark somewhere. Where is it? Let's see, maybe I got that off. There is a little bit of blue or the white coming through here, but it's still a really cute bag, and nobody should be up close, that close to you to see your bag. But it is really nice. So it's the Kate Spade Dot Noel. There is a little, I marked it here. Oh, here it is. I knew there was a black mark somewhere. I marked it on my notes. Right there. And I could not get that off, but it's still a really precious bag. Because of the condition, we'll go ahead and do 15. All right, that second bag is fantastic. So this definitely needs to be stuffed. You could see where they kind of squished it in the bag. So I do have it stuffed, but not a ton of stuffing. This is beautiful condition. The hardware is pretty good. Bring that up there for you to see. There is no major flaws. The feet are all there. The inside was great. This is the Jet Set logo tote. I have it stuffed. And the inside's fantastic. I mean, I don't know if this bag was ever used, but it's phenomenal. We'll go ahead and do this one for $65. And it is 15 inches by 10 inches by a 4 1/4. So, and it does have adjustable straps. The only little bit of wear is that may need some trimming is right here, a little bit of string, but you can take a lighter to that. I will leave that up to you guys to do. But otherwise, it's a beautiful, beautiful bag. So 65 on the Michael Kors Jet Set logo East-West bag. I love that bag. All right. So our third item was the Kate Spade. I love, love, love this bag. So it is black. There is wear right there. Let's see. What I'll do is, if it doesn't show up good on here, I'll take a picture. There is scratching on there, but otherwise this bag's in great condition. And that white stuff that was on the handle came right off. So this is the beautiful, beautiful mark. It does, this one has the pen marks on the inside. I'll take everything out and show you. It's 12.5 inches by 11 by 4 3/4. I stuffed this bad boy. So it has that beautiful pink interior, and the pen mark is in the corner. So I'm not sure if you guys saw that on when I first opened it. Let me get that out. Here, there is no problem. And then you have this interior, and this is where the pen mark is. But no one's going to see it, and it's really heavy down here. So you guys can see that right there. But no tears. You could definitely try to clean it up a little bit better. It's a beautiful, beautiful Kate Spade bag. I love this pink. No tears in it. So it is beautiful. That's your bag. So the straps are at 20 inches right now, but they are adjustable. There is a little bit of wear on that placard, but we can do 45 for this. It's great. Okay, then we have the Dooney and Burke, and it cleaned up pretty well. I just conditioned the sides here, right there, so you can see it. There is definitely some wear to it. The inside is fantastic. You know, there's like a minor scratch here, but that happens from people's fingernails. But everything else is in great condition. It is definitely a vintage piece. And I'll pop up pictures of this as well. So for this Dooney and Burke, we'll do, let's do 15 on it. It's cute. All right. Favorite bag, favorite bag. All right, you guys. She is Gorgeous. So here again is that beautiful coach. All your zippers work. There is a little bit of wear on the corners right there and right there with a little bit of darkening. But this bag is phenomenal. I did clean it up a little bit, but it still could use a good cleaning on the inside, way down there. If you have a bag liner, please use a bag liner. But there is definitely some markings, but this bag is great. This is the Coach Ocelot orange animal print. It's 13 by 10 by 5, and it's marked Coach 19989. It is the Legacy Candace. So because there's the pen marks in there and a little bit of wear on the corners, I'm going to do this for $50. So, all right, you guys, any major flaws, I will put pictures at the end of the video, but what a great box. I'm happy with it overall. I know a few people have gotten boxes that weren't so stellar lately, but luckily, let's see, I ordered this February 13th, so I got a great box. And mine was from, I believe, Phoenix. So, all right, well, let me know if you guys are interested in any of these purses. Email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com, and I will go by the first come, first serve, and I will keep a completed sold list. So let me know, what you guys like? What do you think is the best bag? I still think that Coach is the best. So, all right, you guys, if you are interested, email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. And I will see you guys real soon. Take care, be well, and tell someone you love them today. Bye, you guys.